So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Fios box not showing guide, refresh, reboot, signal and account fix. So when your Fios box stops showing the electronic program guide, displaying a black screen, a full guide error, launching guide or generic no program info flags, it usually means data synchronization between versions server and your box has been interrupted as the guide depends on a data link running from the fiber line through your router to your box. So, the reboot fix. A simple box reset fix about 75% of temporary software glitches. However, because the guide data feed directly through your internet router, you must power cycle both devices in the correct sequence to restabilize the data path. Unplug power. Pull the power cord out of both your Fios router and your Fios setup box. STB, wait for leave them completely unplugged for 3 full minutes to discharge the internal memory boot router. First one is plug the router back into power first. Wait for its front internet light to turn solid white or green and stabilize. Boot box second, plug the Fios box back in, give it 2 or 5 minutes to fully load. Second is the signal refresh fix. If your guide is still blank, the cache might be stuck with corrupt file. You can force your equipment to clear its memory and pull a fresh data stream directly through the system menu. Via the remote, press menu, then customer support, top support tool, then fix Fios TV issue. Select your box from the list and follow the prompt to let the system automatically rebuild your channel layout. Via setting, go to setting, then help, then run diagnostic to check the health of your digital line. The cox swing, the coaxial and hardware signal fix. Your Fios box receives the video signal and guide metadata across coaxial cable. A loose connection can't let video channel pass through while completely blocking the data stream required for the guide. Hand tighten cable. Check the thick round coaxial cable screwed into the back of your Fios box, the wall outlet and any splitter. Ensure they are tight and not wheeling. Check the router link. Verify that a coaxial cable is securely connected to the back of your primary Fios router. The router bridges the data connection to the guide server. Reset the main terminal. If your whole housing is missing the guide, locate your optical network terminal box. Unplug its power cord for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Fourth one is the digital account refresh fix. Occasionally, a billing update, service change, or digital mismatch or version server side flag your box incorrectly, which drop your channel guide permission. You can resolve roughly 70% of these digital mark mismatch yourself without waiting on a service call. Open the My Fios app on your mobile device or log into the official Verizon account portal. Navigate to support. Look for the troubleshooting tab and click refresh account or refresh signal. Keep your TV on. Verizon will send a over the air digital handshake command to your box to validate your subscription tiers. Thank you.